So I came to Mauritius on holiday because my partner got his job here in June 2017. I came here on holiday in July to see how it is, and then decided why not to follow him and to come to live in Mauritius. And I thought, so what job can I do here? Pole studio wasn't here, so I decided to open my pole dance studio. I opened my studio in April, and when I got the key, I just cried because I didn't think it will ever come true. It was very difficult, and first it was not a dream to do it, say so, 1 year ago. Then it was just spontaneous idea, what can I do in Mauritius? And then it was quite a long way here to get all the papers and everything with permit. And when it finally was here, to find a building, to find a room, to repair it, to make it nice, it took a lot of energy, it's a lot of time, a lot of soul, I think heart, what I invested in it. So it's nice, it's a good feeling, yes. I think I can be proud of myself.
Since you came to Mauritius, coming back to the country being very conservative, how do you deal with it all? I mean, you must have people telling you, oh, it's striptease, oh, it's this and that. How do you deal with this?
Actually, I don't have this.
You don't?
I think I do a lot of advertising on Facebook, and I see there are some comments, and I heard from my students it's good that you don't understand Creole, because I think there are some comments what would be in this direction. But personally, I don't have anything with that to do. So personally, people don't come to me and say, oh, you're doing striptease. And what I would answer, every pole dancer can strip, but not every stripper can pole dance.
Comment dire, j'essaie de me dire, mais est-ce qu'ils sont au courant? Il y a une petite pole studio, une pole fitness studio dans les parages à Maurice, quelque part au Cap-Atrin. Je te dis, mais t'es sûr que tu as envie de faire ça? Et ouais, mais c'est un workout comme tout workout, mais qui est un peu plus challenging à mon point de vue. Je disais, non, c'est plutôt du striptease. Donc, tu vas penser. Et surtout venant de mon background professionnel, je trouve que c'est assez difficile pour marier les deux.
My students mostly are Mauritians, and I have some students who came to Mauritius, who live in Mauritius, and who came here from France or just expats. But most Mauritians who said to me that they were dreaming about that long time ago, many years ago, that they were dreaming why, when is pole dance finally comes to Mauritius, and here we are.
J'avais vu ça en France lorsque j'y étais retournée il y a 4 ans. Et en revenant à Maurice, enfin j'avais pas pu essayer en France, et en revenant à Maurice, j'ai un peu cherché partout. J'ai rien trouvé, juste Gentleman's Club à Flic en Flac. Mais bon, c'était pas du tout le même type de catégorie. Et voilà. Et le jour où j'ai vu sur Facebook que Julia avait ouvert un studio, non, c'était un ami qui m'en a parlé, et après j'ai vu sur Facebook effectivement qu'il ouvrait quelque chose sur Lyon. Voilà.
Et tu as tout de suite accroché?
De suite, oui. Ouais.
D'accord. Et tu penses aller jusqu'où dans le pole?
Jusqu'où? Jusqu'à être parfaite. C'est pas encore fait, mais ça viendra peut-être un jour.
Most of them, all of them, nobody of them even touched the pole before. So just to see how it works with the pole, that it spins, it's everything new. And ask again. Yeah. Of course, I can't force somebody who doesn't like pole to come here, but I try to give people their real feeling that if something doesn't work in the beginning, it will work later, and it's true.
J'étais un petit peu sceptique au début, et puis j'ai fait un trial. Et bon, au début, j'ai pas accroché tout de suite.
Mais au fur et à mesure, quand on a réussi à faire des acrobaties, j'ai accroché, c'est devenu une passion. Bon, les 2 semaines, j'étais dégoûtée. Les 2 premières semaines, j'étais dégoûtée. Mais après, au fur et à mesure que vous persévérez dans les mouvements, les acrobaties, à ce moment-là, ça devient addictif et on a envie d'aller beaucoup plus loin dans le sport.
Pole is sport combined with dance. This is actually the good thing in it because it's combination of flexibility and strength. Most people are very surprised when they come first to trial and they think, oh, I thought it's very easy, and they try and then they can't even, most of the cases can't even climb the pole, what looks usually easy on videos. For me, it's a great sport.
Moi, je m'entraîne tous les jours, pratiquement 1h30 par jour à la gym. La musculation, peu importe, un mélange de tout. Et venant ici, bon, j'avais l'idée que ce serait facile pour moi. Mais quand on commençait, je me trouvais tellement tough, bien tough. Il demande de tout, c'est une maîtrise de soi, une coordination, et pratiquement tous les muscles sont engagés.
So I started to pole about 5 years ago. Just a friend of me said, oh, it's a pole studio, first pole studio in Cologne, and let's go and have a look what it is, let's try. It's my life. So pole fitness, pole, it's my life. I wake up in the morning watching what's new to do, what's new I can do today, what can I train, what can I practice, and I go to bed with my thoughts, okay, what did I do today, what can I do next day? So it's actually my life, it's everything about pole. Even when I walk outside, if I see a pole, I need to pole on it. If I see something that looks like a pole, I need to pole. I can't live without it. It's really completely turned my life. I was not very flexible before, I was not specifically sporty before. It just happened and it completely